Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic tour, gas look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch, I'm from Detroit. I got some white boys that really bought it then.
What is up, Deezy Nation? It's your girl Deezy, and I'm back with another mother-loving video. If you're new to my channel, I'm your girl Deezy, and if you've been a part of Deezy Nation, then you already know what it is. Gang, gang. So I was sitting in the house bored as usual during quarantine. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to get my TWA curls popping, I guess. So whenever I wake up in the morning, like, my hair is always matted. It always feels like carpet to me. I don't know, like, I've been trying the products that I used when I was first natural and things like that, but I mean, I don't know, I just have to get back in the hang of things, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to come on here and show y'all like what I do to make my curls popping. So this is my not my bonbon, but this is my scarf that I wear to bed. I had this for years. So we're just gonna take this off and I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like underneath this. I was already out today, so this is my hair. I guess I'm just going to refresh the curls, okay? Okay. So all the products that I'll be using today is my water, my Eco, possibly Shea Moistures, and then possibly As I Am Soothing Gel. So what I do to refresh my hair, it be really more matted than this. I really hate that the products that I use have my hair like flaking, but I don't know. So I'm going to wet my hair. With thick hair like mine, if I don't like rub my hands through my hair, the water would just sit on top. So it may seem like a lot of water to y'all, but it's really not. I needed to get to the roots. I was thinking about cutting my hair some more today, but then I was just like, nah. Nah. So my hair be needing a lot of water at the like right here, but like at the crown. So all I do is dampen it. Dampen it? Is that a word? I swear I already have so much product in here. It's ridiculous. I don't think I'm gonna use the curl enhancing the curl enhancing smoothie because I already have like enough product in my hair. I'll probably end up washing my hair tomorrow. So I'm gonna get my flaky Eco Styler gel. Flaky as heck. About that much for now. And we're gonna rake it through. The parts of my hair that needs the most gel is this top right here in the crown. It just be looking so frizzy to me and I hate that. So I'm just raking it through. And you can cut, I don't know if y'all can tell, but my hair is white because like I have product in here. I still be trying to figure out like how the direction I want my hair. Like, do I want it just straight up? You know what I'm saying? Do I want it like to the side, parted, combed back? You know what I mean? I'm still deciding. I don't really know yet. We're just going to keep adding gel. The top is my problem area. I be needing gel like at the roots up here. We're gonna add some water. We're gonna continue to rake through. So I'm looking at the mirror over here. I just want to make sure that I have everything how I want it. Then I'm just going to take my Denman brush. Well, before I take the Denman brush, I'm just going to do one of these to clump up the curls. Because if I don't put gel in my hair, it will literally look like a fro. And I be wanting the curls defined. Just gonna add a little bit more gel to the back, to the side. Circular motion here. I actually kind of like how the top is looking. So surprisingly, I like how my top is looking for the first time ever. Now I'm just gonna take my dimming brush that I received, that I got from CVS, and I'm just going to comb down and clump the curls. Let's see, I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in to see if y'all can see what I'm doing. And that's just how I clump the curls together. I just do it like random spots. I note my sides. I really like my sides curls defined. And the back right here. Because like I said, otherwise it's just gonna look like a fro. So I'm not gonna even bother with the top really. Once I grab the hair with the dimming brush, it's wrapped around my finger. And I just like basically finger coil it, I guess. Loosely though. I just feel around for like random pieces. Or where I know that like my hair needs to be defined at. Which is usually the sides and the crown. You see, these are my curls clumped together. Clump, clump, clump. It would just be a subtle part. I usually do my part deep, but I'm gonna try something different. Something subtle. Add some more gel just to separate that really. I don't think I like the position of that, so we're gonna go over some more. I'm gonna go ahead and clump these because they're looking kind of funny. Like I could just tell where my hair is like about to frizz at, you know what I mean? Alright, I think I like it there. I'm just going to just separate that like that. So now what I'm going to do, because I don't really want like really, you know, the goo-goos to be popping, but I do want it to be laid. I'm going to take the As I Am smoothing gel, dip my brush into that. Just really add it to the perimeter. Just depending on the look that I'm going for, depends on whether I'm using Eco Styler gel, or the smoothing gel. All this like styling be so random for me, cause like I don't really know how I be wanting my hair sometimes. I just feel like I need to get it together before I go back to work, because I'm not about to be getting upset and struggling with this and then want to cut my hair off some more. The thing about this smoothing gel is that it lays, but it don't stay for real. Like, it be curling right back up. But I'm gonna add some more just to the part here. I think I'm gonna get a bobby pin just so I can like really have it separated, or just for it to stay, or maybe just so it can ease my mind, really, I guess. I'm gonna add some Eco to the front because, like I said, it is curling up. I feel like when my hair gets longer, I'm gonna have to like train it to come towards my face. But because my hair is so short, framing it upwards works for me. And this is the finished look. I swear on everything. This is the best my hair has ever looked since I cut it, bro. I swear on everything. Like, my hair... my hair looking juicy as heck. Especially this front part. I love how it's styled. Wow. But this little part right here is just so dainty and cute. Let me see what the back look like. Let me show y'all the back or whatever. Hit a side. Talk about juicy though. Okay, cause period. Well, I mean, I guess this concludes the video. This concludes it. This is how I revive my curls, I guess. I love it. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Aww. Well, this is the video, y'all. Comment below. Let me know what videos y'all want to see next. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell. And follow me on my social media. I think I'm about to go take some pictures, but I'm not sure yet. Thank you so much. I look so pretty, you guys. Ah! Your girl Deezy is out.
Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic 12 gas.